Have you ever stood in a tranquil woodland at dusk, knowing the forest is alive around you, but unable to see the details in the darker areas? For nature lovers and bird watchers, the twilight hours are often the most active, but the most visually frustrating. This is where thermal imaging comes into its own, as it's a revolutionary way to look at wildlife at night, but also in the day. We're taking a look at some of the most exciting new entrants to the market, the HIKMICRO Lynx 3 series, specifically the LE10 3.0 and the LH19 3.0. Both of these thermal monoculars are designed to slip easily into a jacket pocket, but they pack a serious technology punch. They feature HIKMICRO's shutterless image system taken from their higher-end Pro Series lineup. In practical terms, this means you get smooth, continuous viewing without those annoying freezing moments when the device recalibrates itself. So, whether you're watching and tracking a badger through the undergrowth or spotting a barn owl resting on a distant branch, your view remains entirely uninterrupted. Both units also feature a rapid 2-second startup time, meaning you can pull the monocular out from your pocket and be observing almost instantly. Furthermore, they share several colour palettes, including a subtle green and red monochrome modes. These are specifically designed to reduce your eye strain during prolonged viewing, which is a thoughtful touch for dedicated wildlife watchers. They're also built for the unpredictable British weather, both models boasting an IP67 rating, ensuring that a sudden downpour will not ruin your evening. Let's start with the HIKMICRO LE10 3.0. Holding this monocular for the first time, the immediate standout feature is its remarkably compact design. Measuring just 15 centimeters in length and weighing in at just 292 grams with the battery included, it feels incredibly light. It is just the perfect companion for long hikes and quick evening strolls, slipping into a pocket without weighing you down. The LE10 is built primarily for close to mid-range observation. It features a 256 by 192 thermal sensor with a highly impressive sub-20 net-D performance. In real world, this means that you can pick up subtle temperature differences, allowing you to easily separate a resting bird from the cooler foliage surrounding it. The 9.7mm lens provides a brilliantly wide 18-degree field of view, with a 1.4 times base magnification. The wide angle is an absolute joy when you're scanning a dense woodland floor or a thick undergrowth, as you can take in a massive area all at once. Plus, it is completely focus-free. You simply bring it to your eye and start observing, which is vital when a creature suddenly darts across your path. It boasts a detection range of up to 500 meters, which is more than enough to spot foxes, deer, or roosting birds across a typical field or clearing. Powering this compact monocular is a replaceable and rechargeable battery, which delivers up to 5.5 hours of continuous operation. It also comes in at an attractive price point, currently under £400 here in the UK, making it an ideal entry level into the thermal world. Stepping up the ladder, we have the HIKMICRO LH19 3.0, and while it shares a similar sleek pocketable DNA as its sibling, the LH19 is geared towards those who need more reach and finer detail. It's slightly heavier at 331 grams and costs twice as much as the LE10, but the trade-off for the visuals are well worth the extra. This model updates the thermal sensor to a crisp 384 by 288 resolution and boasts an astonishing sub-15 net-D performance. The heightened sensitivity means that the image quality is remarkably detailed, maintaining incredible contrast even in challenging conditions like high humidity, light fog, or heavy rain. The LH19 features a large 19mm f1.0 lens and a 1.9 times base magnification, which extends 8 times up to 15.2. While the LE10 is a simple point-and-shoot device, the LH19 allows you to dial in the absolute sharpest image possible for your specific distance thanks to the focus wheel found at the front. Looking through the stunning Full HD display is a genuine treat, presenting wildlife in breathtaking clarity. The detection range extends to a massive 900 meters, making it an exceptional tool for birding, surveying large wetlands, or scanning expansive heathlands where your subjects might be further away. It also utilises the same battery as the other Lynxes, offering around 4.5 hours of observation. Comparing the two side by side really highlights their different strengths. If your wildlife watching consists mostly of woodland walks, exploring local nature reserves, or observing nocturnal activities and visitors in your garden, the LE10 is a great choice. Its wide field of view means you will not miss a thing as animals move throughout the trees, and the focus-free design makes it incredibly fast to deploy. It is a brilliant budget-friendly entry into high-quality thermal observation. We find in both these latest models the integration of the HIKMICRO's HIKMICRO 3 algorithm. This highly advanced AI-powered image processing system is designed to drastically elevate your viewing experience by actively enhancing contrast and sharpening the separation between your subject and its background. Rather than simply boosting the overall brightness of the display, HIKMICRO 3 intelligently highlights your subject, ensuring that details are retained across varying distances. For the dedicated wildlife observer, this means a significant reduction in pixelation and far greater clarity when trying to identify subtle physical characteristics or behavioural quirks in low-light conditions. As with the other HIKMICRO products, both monoculars have a seamless digital connectivity through the HIKMICRO Sight app. Wildlife watching is often a solo pursuit, but it doesn't have to be. By connecting your smartphone or tablet to the monocular via its built-in Wi-Fi, you unlock a host of brilliant features. The most impressive is the wireless live streaming capability. You can share your real-time thermal feed directly to your smart device, meaning a friend or family member can watch the exact same badger set or owl perched in a tree alongside you on a larger screen. The app essentially turns your phone into a second display and remote control. You can adjust the colour palettes, tweak the brightness, and even start recording videos or taking photos directly. This is particularly useful if you have the monocular mounted on a tripod for steady observation. All the media that you capture can be easily downloaded to your phone's local album, allowing you to review your footage or share your discoveries with fellow nature enthusiasts online. Ultimately, both the LE10 and the LH19 open an entirely new world. They allow you to not only step into the dark and see nature as it truly is, completely undisturbed and in stunning detail, but they're a great way to pick out hidden wildlife in the daytime too. Whichever you choose, your nature walks will never be the same again. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit subscribe, ring that bell to get notifications on all the latest content. If you'd like any more information, please check out the link below or pop into your local London Camera Exchange.